Get ready, gearheads. Today on Turbo Trendz TV, we're diving into one of the most compact, budget-friendly rides of 2025 that's bringing a fresh twist to the entry-level hatchback scene. We're talking about none other than the 2025 Chevrolet Spark. Don't let its small size fool you. This pint-sized performer is making waves with its updated styling, surprising tech, and wallet-friendly appeal. If you're in the market for an affordable daily driver or just curious how Chevy's smallest vehicle is keeping up in a market filled with SUVs and EVs, then stick around because this is the review you don't want to miss. Exterior. Right off the bat, the 2025 Spark greets you with a front end that's more aggressive and modern than ever before. Chevrolet has clearly taken some cues from their sportier models. The updated grille is bolder, stretching wider with the honeycomb mesh design that adds a bit of attitude. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights that sweep back just slightly, giving the Spark a sharper, more premium look. The sculpted hood lines add a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. It's not overdone, but it's far more refined than the previous generation. And while the Spark is still built to be a city car, Chevy isn't letting that be an excuse to skip out on style. Moving to the side profile, the Spark's compact dimensions are immediately noticeable, but it's the details that really stand out. The 2025 model sits just a bit lower and rides on newly designed 15-inch alloy wheels that look far more upscale than you'd expect from an entry-level car. The slightly flared wheel arches give the side view some muscle, and the blacked-out B-pillars, coupled with body-colored door handles and mirrors, create a seamless and cohesive aesthetic. You'll also notice that the roofline tapers just a touch toward the rear, adding a hint of sportiness to the otherwise practical design. And yes, those roof rails on the active trim are still there for anyone looking to slap a bike rack or a cargo carrier up top. For a hatchback that's under 150 inches long, the Spark pulls off a lot of presence. From the rear, the 2025 Spark keeps things clean but clever. The taillights have been redesigned to feature LED accents, echoing the look of some of Chevy's higher-end models. The rear bumper has also been reshaped slightly to accommodate a more integrated look with the bodywork, and on some trims, you'll find a contrasting lower fascia that gives it a bit of rugged edge. There's a small roof spoiler at the top of the hatch that doesn't just look sporty but also aids with a bit of aerodynamics. And even the rear badge placement has been tweaked, centered and pronounced, reinforcing the Spark's sense of pride in being small but mighty. The hatch opens wide enough to make loading and unloading simple, especially useful in cramped urban spaces. Interior. Step inside, and here's where the 2025 Spark surprises most folks. The interior punches well above its weight class. Even in the bass trim, you're met with a refreshed dashboard layout that's modern, intuitive, and cleaner than ever before. Soft-touch materials make their way onto more surfaces, and the use of contrasting textures and stitching adds a touch of sophistication. The 7-inch touchscreen now comes standard across all trims, featuring Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Response times are snappy, and the interface is easy to navigate, whether you're streaming music or using turn-by-turn navigation. The front seats offer decent support for short to medium commutes, with manually adjustable options across the board. Higher trims introduce heated seats and leatherette surfaces, which really elevate the cabin's feel. Space up front is more than adequate, with generous headroom and legroom, especially considering the Spark's micro size. In the back, space is tighter. No surprises there, but two average-sized adults can still squeeze in for shorter rides. It's best suited for kids or cargo in real-world scenarios. Speaking of which, cargo capacity remains around 11 cubic feet with the rear seats up, and over 27 cubic feet when you fold them down. It's not class-leading, but it's versatile enough for a week's worth of groceries or even a short road trip's worth of luggage. Performance-wise, the 2025 Chevrolet Spark isn't pretending to be a hot hatch, but it absolutely holds its own where it counts. Under the hood is a tried-and-true 1.4-liter inline-4 engine that produces 98 horsepower and 94 pounds-feet of torque. That may not sound like much, but paired with a curb weight under 2,300 pounds, the Spark feels lively enough in city driving. Whether you're zipping through downtown traffic, merging onto a highway, or weaving into tight parking spots, the Spark's size and nimbleness make it incredibly easy to handle. You've got the choice between a 5-speed manual transmission. Yes, it's still offered for those who love to roll their own gear set, or a CVT that's been retuned for smoother acceleration. Fuel economy is a huge win here. The 2025 Spark delivers an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon in the city and up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway when equipped with the CVT. That makes it one of the most fuel-efficient non-hybrid cars on the market. Steering is light but responsive, making it ideal for city dwellers, and the suspension is tuned for comfort rather than sport. It absorbs bumps well for its size, though don't expect it to soak up potholes like a luxury sedan. On the freeway, it cruises comfortably at 70, though you'll hear some wind and engine noise creeping at higher speeds, and not surprising for a car at this price point. Speaking of price, this is where the Spark really stands out. In a time where the average new car costs over $45,000, the 2025 Spark starts at just $15,995 for the Bass LS trim. Move up to the 1LT, and you're looking at around $17,500, while the 2LT trim tops out near $19,000. The Active trim, which adds a full rugged look with roof rails and skid plates, lands just under $20,000. That's incredibly competitive, especially considering the standard features Chevy packs in this time around, like the touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot, rear-view camera, and a full suite of safety features including automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and rear park assist on upper trims. It's one of the last affordable gas-powered cars on the market, and Chevy's keeping it relevant with thoughtful upgrades, solid efficiency, and just enough flair to keep things interesting. Now, let's talk about who this car is really for. If you're a first-time buyer, a college student, or just someone looking for a reliable second car that won't break the bank, the 2025 Spark is tailor-made for you. It's an over-the-rails, honest vehicle that focuses on what matters: practicality, efficiency, and affordability. But Chevy has gone the extra mile to make sure it doesn't feel bare bones or boring. The updated tech, improved materials, and modern design all help the Spark punch well above its weight class. Of course, it's not without its drawbacks. The back seat is tight, there's no turbocharged engine option, and it's not exactly a quiet ride at highway speeds. But at this price, you'd be hard-pressed to find anything else that offers this much value. The Spark is simple, but it's smart up, and in a market oversaturated with oversized, overpriced crossovers, that's something truly refreshing. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Chevrolet Spark is a brilliant reminder that affordable doesn't have to mean cheap. It nails the basics and adds just enough extras to feel current. For city driving, fuel savings, and low ownership costs, it's a top-tier contender. If you've been sleeping on the Spark, now's the time to wake up. Thanks for riding with us today on Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest new rides, and drop a comment below. Would you consider the 2025 Spark for your next city car? Or is it just too small for your lifestyle? Either way, we want to hear from you. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your eyes on the road. Turbo Trendz TV, signing out.